Hi everybody, my name is Janine and this is my interview presentation. So the description of the person I interviewed who is in late life, she was a 75-year-old female. She lives in Louisiana. She has two kids, ages 44 and 48. She is married to her husband of 55 years and she loves Jesus and life. So, to switch some gears, what major events seem to shape this person's development? Her childhood. Her faith and growing up in the church and her ability to just explore and learn on her own terms. Also, her family, her parents. Her father was a pastor, her mother was the youth pastor. She had siblings, she had two brothers and one sister. Does this person seem to express integrity or despair? I would say that she expresses integrity. Because according to Kellen Kavan, the struggle of integrity versus despair requires people to engage in a life review. So she is self-accepting, she is self-affirming, and she's glad to live her life the way she has. So what is the struggle of integrity versus despair, you may be asking? As people enter late life, they begin the struggle of integrity versus despair according to our text. So the definition of that is the process in late life by which people try to make sense of their lives. So let's define integrity. So I got these definitions from Merriam-Webster. It's a firm adherence to a code of especially moral or artistic values, an unimpaired condition, the quality or state of being complete or undivided. So then we'll define despair also from Merriam-Webster. It's an utter loss of hope, a cause of hopelessness. In what ways has this person coped with loss? What, if any, significant loss has he or she experienced? So she's actually experienced quite a bit of loss, and we got to talk through that as I did this interview. So she's actually experienced the loss of both of her parents, a loss of a brother, and then also a loss of many relatives, sister-in-laws, brother-in-laws, mother-in-law, and father-in-law. The role of religion in her life. Her father was a Southern Baptist preacher. She was taught at an early age that God is good and faithful. She grew up in the church, still attends the same church she did as a child. And there you have it, folks. Here's my references. Thanks so much.